If you've been researching web hosting, you've probably seen the term VPS hosting. But what exactly is a VPS, and how do you know if your business actually needs one? In this video, we'll explain what VPS hosting is, how it compares to shared hosting, and the signs that it may be time to upgrade. Let's dive in. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. Think of it like owning a private office inside a larger office building. You still share the building with other businesses, but your office space, resources, and equipment belong to you. That's very different from shared hosting, where everyone's working in the same open room and competing for resources. With VPS hosting, a physical server is divided into multiple isolated virtual servers. Each VPS receives its own dedicated CPU, RAM, storage, and operating environment. This means your website gets predictable performance and greater control over its hosting environment. For many businesses, shared hosting is the perfect place to start, but as your website grows, so do its demands. A VPS can help solve several common problems: slow website performance during traffic spikes, resource limitations from shared hosting, increased security requirements, growing e-commerce stores, business-critical applications, multiple websites under one account. Because your resources are allocated specifically to your VPS, your website isn't affected as heavily by what other users on the server are doing. Let's simplify the comparison. Shared hosting, lower cost, easy for beginners, great for new websites. Resources are shared with other users. VPS hosting, dedicated resources, better performance, more control and customization, easier scalability as your business grows. Dedicated hosting, entire physical server, maximum performance, highest level of control, best for large, high-traffic operations. For many growing businesses, VPS hosting offers the sweet spot between affordability and performance. This is one of the most important decisions you'll make. With an unmanaged VPS, you're responsible for server administration. That includes security updates, software installations, troubleshooting, backups, server maintenance. A managed VPS shifts much of that responsibility to your hosting provider. For business owners who want to focus on running their company instead of managing servers, a managed VPS is often the better option. Managed VPS solutions typically include support, maintenance assistance, and management tools that simplify server administration. Here are some of the signs your business may be ready for VPS hosting. Your website's loading slowly, you're experiencing traffic growth, you run an online store and need consistent performance, you need custom software that shared hosting doesn't support, you host multiple websites, or you simply need more control over your hosting environment. If any of these sound familiar, it may be time to move beyond shared hosting. But not all VPS hosting providers are created equal. When evaluating options, look for NVMe SSD storage, scalable resources, reliable uptime, strong security features, 24/7 technical support, managed service options, easy migration assistance. Choosing the right provider can make scaling your website much easier as your business grows. A VPS gives growing businesses more power, flexibility, and control than shared hosting, without the cost of a dedicated server. If your website's becoming an important part of your business operations, VPS hosting can provide the performance and reliability needed to support that growth. And if you're unsure if it's the right fit, start by evaluating your traffic, performance needs, and long-term goals. I'm John Paul from InMotion Hosting. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful, hit like or subscribe for more tech tutorials. InMotion Hosting. Always on, always human.